are here at the West Houston Institute, which is Houston Community College's Innovation Hub, and we are here today for the Interior Design Reveal show, which is the portfolio program for seniors who are graduating from the program, and this is kind of the culminating experience that they have for presenting their body of work that they've created over their education here at Houston Community College.
We're super excited this year. This is the largest graduating class we've ever had in the history of the program, with 34 graduates. This event is not just to celebrate the graduates, but also provides an opportunity for them to network and interview throughout the day. Most of our students receive their first job opportunities at this event.
I love the networking opportunities they have. And for me, I just started working with fabrication, and it gives me an opportunity to meet other people and get feedback about my product. It's a wonderful, wonderful program that we have here at HCC. I've learned so many new different things since I've been here.
I think it's definitely brought us a lot closer together. I mean, when I started at HCC, I didn't know anybody here, and now I, know so many different people, and some people now I call friends, and so it's really cool. I'm really grateful for the opportunity to be here today, and going forward, I hope I can pursue interior design and find a great career.
We do 3D printing as a part of the makerspace, and so students can come in and get trained and use our desktop 3D printers. And so 3D printing, additive manufacturing, is a cutting-edge technology that allows us to create physical objects from something that you can hold in your hand to a full house or building. And this technology is revolutionizing how we make things, providing students access to these tools, helping them to experiment and explore and create with them, helps them to become the leaders of tomorrow, who are the ones that are imagining our future and then realizing it through these technologies.